Hello, student. Welcome to my channel and a journey of exploring education. Today, you will see the presentation of Mr. Sarthak Nandgaonkar on human resource planning. So, let's see the presentation.
Myself Sartaran Gaonkar. I am studying in BBA first year. Today I will inform about human resources planning. So let's get started. Human resources planning. Meaning and definition. In simple words, HRP is understood as the process of forecasting an organization's future demands for and supply of the right type of people in the right number. After this, only the HRM department can initiate the recruitment and selection process. It's called by manpower planning, personal planning, or employment planning. Importance of human resources planning. Future personal need, coping with the change, creating highly talented personnel, protection of weaker sections, international strategies, foundations for personal functions, increasing investment in human resources, resistance of change and more. Process of HR planning. Analyzing organizational objectives. The objective to be achieved gives the idea about the work to be done in the organization. Inventory of present human resources. From the update human resources information storage system, the current number of employees, their capacities, performance and potential can be analyzed. Forecasting demand and supply of human resource. The human resource required to different positions according their job profile are to be estimated. Estimated manpower gaps. Comparison of human resource demand and human resource supply will provide with the surplus or deficit of human resources. Monitoring, control, and feedback. It mainly involves implementations of the human resource action plan. Human resources are allotted according to the requirements and inventories are updates over a period. The plan is monitored strictly in identify the deficiencies and remove it. Thank you.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.